Hi, I'm Sarah Fish and I'm a snowboard instructor. We're here today at the Snow Centre in Hemel Hempstead and I'm going to take you through a toe edge side slip. A toe edge side slip is you balancing on your toe edge, sliding down the slope, controlling your speed for the first time on your own. It's how you're going to learn how to brake and it's going to make you feel safe and in control of your snowboard. So when we're doing a toe edge or a heel edge side slip, we're literally adding tilt to the snowboard. So if it was flat to the floor, we'd slide quite fast. So all you're going to do is tilt it up, add pressure to the edge you want grip, and it's going to slow you down. If you want to go faster in this exercise, just let the board flatten off and it'll slide. To go slower, increase the edge tilt and add the pressure. Before we attach that snowboard to the feet, I want to take you through the body position so you can have a little feeling yourself of what it's going to feel like before you actually strap on. So turn yourself around, facing up the slope. I want you to plant your feet in a comfortable snowboard position, similar to what you stand like on your snowboard already. Starting off from the feet up, I'm just going to stand relaxed as always. So bending the ankles, bending the knees. And for this position, I've got my hips nice and far forward. As soon as I bend over, you can see how my weight goes down the hill and it's harder to balance. So it's really important to have that body weight hanging right over the toe edge. So we've shown you what the board's going to do and we've shown you how to stand. Now let's put the board on and we're going to put it all together and have a little go. Now we're facing the wrong way to do a toe edge side slip because we need to be facing up the slope. So we need to turn over. The reason we want to roll over is just so we don't lose any height on the slope. And it's a little bit easier than standing up and trying to do it. So we're going to turn the board up the slope slightly and you're going to let gravity do all the work for you. All you have to do is lay your back on the floor, lift this leg up and throw it down the hill. If I want to slow down, all I'm going to do is increase the pressure. So I'll just push down harder. That'll tilt the back of the board up. If I want to release that grip, I'm just going to straighten my legs. Nothing else changes. You can see that that flattens the board off slightly. Again, slowing down, I will just push down and increase that edge angle and weight. Let's have a little recap. So you've now learned how to do a toe edge side slip. That's you sliding down the hill, controlling your speed for the first time, being able to stop yourself. This gives you so much more confidence on your board once you've learned this. We've also learned how to direct your board so you can move yourself around on the slope comfortably. Always remember to trust your instructor. Everything that they're telling you is going to keep you safe. Some of the body positions that we ask you to do are going to feel really unnatural, but anything that we ask you to do, it's just there because it's the most effective way to get the performance out of your snowboard.